Hello and welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Vulture Conservation Committee. So now let's see why is it in news. Recently, Tamil Nadu government formed a committee to set up an institutional framework for the effective conservation of vultures. Now let us know about the Vulture Conservation Committee. The committee will ensure scientific management of carcass dumps. It analyzes cattle carcass samples in the state to ensure no harmful drugs are ingested by vultures. It will also work to establish efficient regulatory mechanisms for ban on drugs found toxic to vultures like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, which is NSAIDs. The committee will be tasked with creating more breeding grounds and rescue centers for the raptors in the state. It will participate in the nationwide vulture census. The committee will identify locations for carrying out the census and creating vulture safe zones in the state. It will also prepare an annual report of action plan for vulture conservation. Now let us know about the status of vulture in India. 9 species of vultures are recorded from India. Out of 9, 5 belongs to the genus Gibbs and the rest 4 are monotypic. Gibbs are as follows: the oriental white-backed vulture, the long-billed vulture, slender-billed vulture, the Himalayan vulture and the Eurasian griffon. Monotypic are as follows: the red-headed vulture, Egyptian vulture, breeded vulture and the cinereous vulture. As per last vulture census conducted by intergovernmental body BirdLife International, the country's vulture population dropped to 18,645 in 2015 from over 40,000 in 2003. Oriental white-backed vulture, long-billed vulture, red-headed vulture are critically endangered, while Egyptian vulture is in the endangered category. Now let us look at the initiatives to protect vultures in India. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs have been banned under the Vulture Action Plan 2020 to 2025. Earlier, diclofenac was banned for veterinary use by the Government of India in 2006. It was found to be the main cause of a dramatic decline, which is 99% of the vulture population across Asia. In 2015, Tamil Nadu became the first state to ban the veterinary use of ketoprofen in Nilgiri, Erode and Coimbatore districts. The Central Zoo Authority and Bombay Natural History Society also established the Vulture Conservation Breeding Program. A vulture care center was set up at Pinjore, Haryana in 2001 to study the cause of deaths of vultures in India. Now let us look at the practice question, which is: consider the following statements regarding the vultures. There are 9 species of vulture which are recorded from India. Oriental white-backed vulture, long-billed vulture, red-headed vulture are critically endangered. Which of the above given statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected to us.
Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.